cancel the items. I just told her it would entirely flipped her lid. She started ranting about calling corporate, which...
Vigorous day, everyone! This is Match sa Matcha, and I'm Rizzo, your resident matcha girly! And I'm here to try weird matcha combinations so you don't have to. Ano na? Let's go! Let's make our matcha. First, ang ginamit kong ratio dito ay 2 grams to 20 grams of hot water. Hata Ramune lychee soda yung binili ko dito. Ayan. Please don't judge me kung paano ko siya binuksan. I didn't read the instructions. I'm so sorry. I just spoke it and nung lumabas yung ball, I was like, ooh, okay. Ayan na, assemble na natin yung drink. Na-try ko yung watermelon version ng Ramune na to. Pero, mas gusto ko to. Masarap naman yun, pero feeling ko mas pair well lang siya with, lychee talaga. Kalasa din niya almost yung mogu-mogu matcha, pero mas gusto ko to. Kasi, less sweet. Ay, trentahin na talaga yan. Ay, nako. You can never go wrong with this combination. Like, matcha plus something fruity or citrusy. As in, angat pa din kasi talaga yung lasa ng matcha. So, I highly recommend this. Yeah!